Tw200. Got the Cogent front springs, the 0.7 front springs, Cogent DDCs, Bradley Performance fork extensions, Bradley Performance rear shock with the lift shock, and it's got adjustable damping. Got a rear rack, hand guards, Pro Taper ATV, high rise bars, fresh oil change, spark plug. Seems to be doing pretty good. Let's get some videos of it running down the trail. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this ride. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I got some honorable mentions I forgot to talk about earlier. The foot pegs I got are the Bradley Performance. They're 1 inch lower and 1 inch further back. They do a lot for rider confidence, I think. The skid plate, that's a Amazon special. And that's gonna do it for this ride on this beautiful day. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them down there in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.